Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video for you. Now, I don't know if y'all familiar. Maybe you've been out of town on vacation, dealing with some things, and you have not heard, but Walmart has released their latest, and I mean their latest streaming device. Meet the ON 4K Pro. This is a threat to all Fire TV streaming devices, and when I tell you all of them, I mean all of them, from the regular Fire Stick to the Fire Stick 4K, the Fire Stick 4K Max, and also is definitely taking a shot at the Fire TV Cube for half the price, over half the price. And we'll talk about that later, guys. Again, I'm going to do a full unboxing, all right, of this. Now, I did do it on... I did 2 live shows on this device. I am the one with the big old hands that's shown everywhere over the internet. And, you know, plenty of outlets have let people know, yes, we found this on a YouTuber named Superdell. And so today's video, I'm going to do a dedicated unboxing. That way you don't have to go to the live show and watch like an hour and a half of me unboxing and setting this device up. On this video, I'm just going to do an unboxing so you can get familiar with it. Okay. Now, the thing about this device, it does have a hands-free option. You do not have to use the remote control all the time, which is a big, huge threat to the Fire TV Cube. And then did I mention you pay over half of what you would pay for the Fire TV Cube? My goodness, man. But on your screen, you actually see the box. Let me do this. I'm going to turn on my DJI Action Cam 4. So let me do that right now. So you should see a screen that's right there. All right, it's right there, and you will see me doing some unboxing. Now, again, this device is very, very nice. The presentation, as you see, even though I dropped the manual, pretty good. All right, this is the presentation, and let me grab the manual, okay? Because the manual actually tells you that, you know, how to set it up. Now, a lot of y'all will know how to set it up. It's very long, all right, as you see right there. So we got the manual, okay? Here's the box right here. This is the box. And we're going to come back to the box, okay? We'll come back to it. But inside the box, let's do this. Let's go inside the box. Inside the box, you have the power. Okay, you got that. You got an HDMI. Nice, you know, thick. All right. Very, very nice again. They do give you, which I love, you know, Amazon do this too. You do get batteries. As you see right there, you do get the batteries. And to separate from the regular 4K box that they have, they give you a black remote control. Okay, so I'm going to get a little bit close. Let me turn off the light so you can see it. Very, very clear. All right. All right, so you see the power at the top, the star, the Google Assistant button, settings, directionals, go back, home, source, channel volume up, down, mute, channel up, down, and then you got your 4 hotspots. YouTube, Netflix, Disney, and Paramount, and then you got the ON logo down there. So it's straightforward. You're pretty familiar with this device, and this is Bluetooth. So this is a Bluetooth remote control. As soon as you plug it in, and you put the batteries, it will catch on, and you know, it'll notice the Bluetooth remote. All right, it'll identify. All right, now here we have this. This is the box. Okay, this is the box. Let me turn it up the right way. All right, so you can see it. But let me show you the presentation, because it does give you some options. All right, this is the front of it. This is the top. But you notice something that's right here. All right, this button represents that's your find your remote feature that comes with this box. Okay, so if you press the button, it'll start making your remote control, you know, button. It'll start beeping. But look at the presentation though. All right, very, very nice. All right, from left to right, DC in, USB 3.0, one, they only have one, HDMI out, Ethernet port, so it does have a dedicated Ethernet port in there, and then you got your reset button. All right, so everything is right there. But guys, when we pull this bad boy out, I'm talking about the feel of it is awesome. I mean, just look at it. It does have this mesh right here, and I'm going to show it to you up here on this camera. If you look closely, you should see some speakers on there for the hands-free, because this is a hands-free device. You do not need your remote. All you have to do is just turn that option on, which I'm gonna do, and I'll show you in another dedicated video. So you see it, everything is in there. All right, so hopefully you be able to see it with the light. If you don't, once you get it, you definitely just put some light on it and you will see it. Now from the front, guys, I want to display that. Remember that button we was talking about? All right, that's the find your remote button. Okay, that's directly in the front. And again, this mesh is so nice. The way they created this box is very, very nice. Now on here, on the side, you see this is the mic button. So what you want to do, if you don't want it to, you think it's listening to you, you can turn it off. You just turn it off. You know it's off when it's red, and when you turn it on, you'll see that is green up in there, I believe, or it's just black. It really don't show. I think it's just black. But when it's off, you can just turn it off and it'll be red like that. And very, very nice. All right. So we got that. In the back, guys, this is where everything goes down. You got a dedicated right here, reset. All right, you got the reset. Then you got the Ethernet port. You got a dedicated 10100 Ethernet port. You got a HDMI out only. You got one and only one USB 3.0, and you got the power. All right. On the side, you got nothing. Up under here, you got nothing. No vents, no anything up under here. Only thing you do, you got this little yellow, not yellow, but rubber like footing, so it won't slide on your cabinet or anything like that. And again, you got the mesh. Okay, again, this is pretty solid, very, very solid. I'm telling you, very, 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 very nice. Now this device is 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage, hands-free technology, so you'll be able to use the Google Assistants by just saying, hey, G word. You know what it is, right? And for people who don't know what the G word is, the G word stands for Google. So you'll be able to say, hey, G word, and you can tell it to pretty much, hey, what's the weather in your town, your state, or who won the basketball, baseball, football game, hockey game, stuff like that. It's pretty solid. It is running Android 12, which is pretty up to date. And, you know, very, very nice. It is fast. I do have another one that is right here. And this one is going to someone's home. It's easy to set up. It's straightforward. On the box, though, I do want to show you what it is on the box. So let me go ahead, piece this together, and I'll give you some more specs. Again, you got everything right here. All right. Let me do this. Go at an angle. So you see it right here. They have all the license. Netflix, YouTube, Disney, Hulu, YouTube TV, ESPN Max, Stars, Paramount, BET, AMC, and more. All right, and more. All right, so just in case people want to see that, you can pause it right there. Again, and then you got the rest of everything. They give you the specs. And so let me do this right quick. And we're going to go ahead and move it just a little bit closer. There we go. And we'll start from this side. Let me get a little bit closer. All right. And you got the 4K high definition CPU, quad core, Cortex A55, Mali G31, 3 gigs of RAM, making it a little bit snappier. 32 gigs of internal storage. Wi-Fi 6, guys. So for all you people out there using Wi-Fi 6, it's good. All right. And then you got a USB 3.0. And then they tell you exactly what's in the box. And again, if you want to do a command, that's all you have to do is say, hey, G word, and you'll be able to do it. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a nice box for 50 bucks. All right, it's straightforward. It's very, very nice. It does everything you want to do. Can you jailbreak it, side load, use downloader? Yes, you can do all of those things to this box. All right, you can set it up, IPT, whatever. All right, the same thing that you did with the Fire TV series, you can do with this device right here. All right, and so this is the device that's big and it's going to put probably the nail, in the coffin with Amazon Fire TV devices, because they are going to a whole new operating system. All right, and it is what it is. So again, guys, I do want to thank you again. I know this is just a dedicated video. I'm about to get back into my videos because I love doing this. This is fun. I've been doing nothing but live shows, but I will link them to live shows in the description of this video. That way y'all can go back and check out the live shows where I actually plug this bad boy up and shows you everything that you needed to see. It is running Google TV. Just remember that. It is running Google TV, and that's what it is. All right. If you have any questions, any comments, you can leave them in the comment area. I'll leave everything in the description, how to get in touch with me. But all I ask that you do, thumbs up the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then definitely hit that subscribe button. But also, if you want to share it, go ahead, share it. Let's get the information out. You can find this at your local Walmart today. For whatever reason, they got released in Metro Detroit, Michigan first. So, again, thank you to all the outlets who recognize me. Thank you to all the YouTube creators who recognize me. I salute y'all. I thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. With that being said, guys, I'm going to end this video, and then the next video, I will be going into depth how to set this device up. Again, all you need is a G email. So you need a Google email. That's all you need, and you will get into this device. It's that easy. Salute to everyone. Thank you. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.